People should be beautiful in every way, in their faces, in the way they dress, in their thoughts, and in the phone cases they have. If your phone, tablet, or e-reader still wears an old outfit, we offer you to revamp their wardrobe. Get inspired by new ideas on how to make unusual cases for your devices. Better get a snack before you start the pizza case. It's quite mouth-watering. Take a small foam rubber piece. Draw a wavy-edged triangle. Cut it out. The uneven sides will create a slightly natural effect. Draw a border between the topping and the golden crust. Now, sketch the topping. Start with sausage. Use nail polish and an art brush to paint it. Four pieces will do. Add some mushrooms. Keep in mind, pizza sauce. As it often lightens when baked, we have chosen an orange color. Add some natural features to the sausage. Add some more topping details. Let's animate it. Draw a lovely face using a permanent marker. Outline the eyes with a pencil first. Then, define with the marker. Make the eyes different in size to make the funny face. Start painting. Color the background brighter to create a slight 3D effect. Define the details with a black pen. Okay, we've got the cute cartoon pizza slice. It's a great idea for a boring black case. Attach with multi-purpose glue. It took around 10 minutes to decorate your case with a charming pizza slice. Try it on your smartphone. Cool! Will you call your local pizzeria to order pizza right now? Now let's make a tasty-looking phone case again. Sweet cream dessert covered with a chocolate shell topping. That's what we want. Divide the case with a wavy line. Cover the top part with the hot glue. Follow the wave first, then gradually move to the edge. The volumetric hot glue creates a melting cream effect. You can add some extra layers to make the dessert look more natural. When you've finished with the top, add a small drop underneath. And now, the most fascinating step. Paint the 3D image. Make a hot pink layer. Use acrylic paint and a thin brush to work on small details. Paint the chocolate top. Carefully cover the rest of the glue part. When dry, imitate sprinkles. Paint differently colored stripes on the chocolate: yellow, crimson, turquoise. Choose the hues you like. The dessert phone case is ready. It looks delicious. Put it on your phone and go to a candy shop to buy something sweet. Add a splash of color. Turn your phone case into a 3D eyeshadow palette. Tear off a piece of air-drying clay. Roll a ball and knead it flat. Finish molding on the desk. Make sure the detail shapes like a round eyeshadow. Prepare several of the same details. When the clay is dry, tint it to make the eyeshadows. Use acrylic paints, pink, blue, and mix pink and blue to get a lavender tint. Sprinkle with glitter. Attach a black foam rubber sheet to the phone case. It'll be the base.
Place the eyeshadows on the base. Add an applicator to look like a real palette. Attach with multi-purpose glue. Wow! Fabulous! This phone case looks like a big eyeshadow palette. You just cannot live without your favorite lip balm, can you? Let's make a special phone case with an EOS lip balm attached. Prepare plasticine to make a mold. Press down and open EOS balm. Wait a bit until the clay is cool. You can put it in the fridge for a couple of minutes. You can make any small mold in such a way. Press the clay at the edges to let the container come off easily. Take out the balm. You've got the perfect EOS mold. Put in polymer clay. Press it down into the mold. Make the container without the balm. Press the plasticine across the mold outline. Take off the clay container. Bake it now. Follow the instructions for your polymer clay as for the baking time and temperature. Make the balm in the air-drying clay. Knead it in your hands. Form a ball. Make the balm shape, fitting the ball to the container. Attach the container to the case with the multi-purpose glue. Attach the balm. Perfect! It looks like the real EOS. We wish we could apply it to the lips.
My friend is on her phone again. I bring a sweet present for her. It's Chupa Chups, but it's not her cup of tea. She's got a big lollipop just on her phone case. Isn't it fake? She takes off the wrapper. The Chupa Chups on her phone case is absolutely real. Melt caramel candies in a microwave. Add food coloring. And pour the caramel into a semi-sphere mold. Insert bamboo skewers into a wide cocktail straw for the extra security. Press the straw into the mold and pour one more layer of the caramel on top. When hardened, take out the candy and attach it to the phone case with the melted caramel left over. Print out a Chupa Chups label and cover it with clear tape. Cut off a half and wrap the candy on the phone case. You can lick the huge lollipop on your phone case all day long. The blue-eyed girl is terrified of frogs. Slimy amphibians make her jump. She will definitely refuse to kiss a frog, even if it would turn into a Prince Charming. Hi-ho! I don't want to deprive my friend of a chance to become royalty. I will set a cutie on her phone case. Melt gummy bears in a microwave. Cover a chocolate mold with vegetable oil and pour some melted jelly in it. Put it in a fridge. Cover a phone with plastic wrap and put it onto the hardened jelly. Pour the rest of the liquid jelly around the phone to make borders. Put it into a cold place again. Take the jelly case out of the mold when cool. Cut out a camera hole. Attach a gummy frog using edible glue. The cute frog is a weird resident of my friend's phone. Wrap the jelly chocolate with foil and wait. The blue-eyed girl is outraged, but I give a peacemaking chocolate bar to her quickly. She unwraps it. What? Is it a frog again? I don't want to kiss anybody, neither a prince nor a king. But this frog is not spooky at all. It is very sweet. It guards your phone. And we've got jelly frog legs for dessert. A new decor item seems to have appeared on the table. A stone from a holy device mount. Oops, the stone suddenly rings. We will need sugar paste of white and brown colors. Grate it on a grater so that it will be easier to mix with the colors. The basic color is brown. Knead it so that there are white streaks in the brown base.
Wrap your phone into a Ziploc tightly and attach the sugar paste to make a stone-shaped case. Create a stone texture by making tiny holes on top with a toothpick. Wait until dry. Emma comes in, takes the stone, and starts talking. It's a Mesozoic miracle! A talking stone! Emma notices her friend under the table. Come on, get out! Hiding and spying is no good. All of a sudden, my friend bites off a piece of the stone in her hand easily. The talking stone is also edible. I tried to play I don't have a phone case tragedy again. Finally, all the phones have their cases on. It's time to relax and watch a movie. The girls have a bright case for their tablet as well. Make holes with a hole punch in an old shabby tablet case. Make parallel holes across the long sides. Take bright laces, cut off the ends, and glue 2 laces into one. Pass them randomly through the holes. You may use laces of different colors. Make a small bow and attach it to the bottom of the case. Decorate the bow with a button. This is how you turn an old shabby case into a new and stylish one, and lacing matches any interior. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss any new ideas from the Troom channel.